We're talking about the new lightweight motorsports fuel rails for the Mitsubishi EVO X from Nuke Performance. Made in Sweden and 100% ethanol proof, these really lightweight, highly engineered fuel rails are compact. They can be delivered with the option of 6, 8, or 10 AN fittings. The 3/8 MPT thread at the ends of the fuel rails also have the capability of being used with the Nuke Performance banjo fittings if a sharp 90 is needed. Make sure to use PTFE thread sealant for all MPT fittings. These fuel rails include the needed lightweight brackets and hardware. Injector safety clips are the calling card of all Nuke Performance fuel rails and prevent the injectors from popping out in case of an emergency. There is an additional port at the center of the fuel rail that can be used as a feed or return depending on the design of the fuel system. Check out nukeperformance.com for all the different options and to order yours today.